Good morning, grade 8. How are you all doing? I hope your e-learning is going well. As you can see, the school is very empty without you guys. We're missing you very much. Everything's very quiet, but learning continues as per normal. I made this video today to hopefully try and explain what the lesson today is a bit more clear and to make sure you guys know what's going on. So first of all, an update. Today, all your reports have been finished. They've been sent out. They're going to be checked over and hopefully get sent to your parents by next week. Look out for your reports. Both my classes, you did really well, so you guys should be really proud of yourselves. You put a lot of effort in, and the reinforced presentations and the mapping especially was really, really good. So well done with that, guys. Remember, anything from a 70 to an 80 is an at standard mark, which means you're working at grade 8 standard, and I'm happy. Hope you're all safe and at home and you're keeping up with your e-learning. Everything's going really well. Before we begin today's lesson, I just want to give you an update on what's been happening. You might have heard some talk about Microsoft Teams. What is that? What are we using it for? Microsoft Teams will be coming for our class. At the moment, we're just going to be using Edmodo. All your resources will be uploaded through Edmodo. Everything will be happening there. But maybe next week or the week after, we're going to start doing a virtual, like live class where we can video conference with everyone and we can ask questions. And it's a little bit more interactive than you guys watching me and then answering questions on Edmodo. But for now, stick with Edmodo. Everything is happening on Edmodo. Let's have a look at Teams. On Teams, you see I've already made a grade 8D and a grade 8A page for Teams. I'm going to be sending you a link to those Teams in the next sort of few days. So do look out for that. Make sure you've downloaded it on your iPad or your laptop. Make sure your Teams account is ready to go. I think you use your school's 2-1 this email, so make sure you know how that works. Okay, let's go to Edmodo. So the first lesson from this week was on Monday, and Miss Sophie assigned that lesson for you guys, even though she's not your humanities teacher. From the future, I'm going to be assigning all the lessons to make sure you guys know exactly what's happening. I was looking over everything and making sure you were doing it. If you can look here, you've got 85 people have submitted it properly on Edmodo. Well done, guys. Awesome. I want to see you guys uploading properly using the turn in feature within the assignment. If you do it this way, it means that I can see everything. It's really clear. I can give you marks, give you feedback, and you can upload it within the 24 hours from its set. Remember, you don't have to do it in that 1 hour on your timetable. You can have 24 hours, so you can do it as homework. I know like most of you are at home all of the time because of the lockdown, but you can do it after school finishes. So after you finish the debrief at 2:45, you can go and you can do the rest of your homework. And remember, you have 24 hours to upload. What I want to avoid is I want to avoid people uploading like this and posting pictures on the feed, people sending emails and motor messages. Let's keep it in the one spot so you can get your feedback. And more importantly, you can get private feedback. So the whole year doesn't have to see what the teacher is telling you. You can get it in private, in confidentiality. We can give you that feedback from myself to you without the whole world knowing. If you did good, you did well, you could have done better. They don't need to know that. So let's keep it in the assessment box. Thank you for that. Today I will upload your assessment for you in this area. Let's have a look at what we're going to be doing today. So don't worry about this document. This is for my planning. This is a document that Miss Sophie, Mr. Sean, and Miss Sarah use. But today you've got a few things to do. Number one, you've got to read an article. You've got to read the UAE chocolate market article. And then you got to add your 3 terms to your glossary. Glossary is just another word for definitions list. Please put that at the back of your book. Those 3 terms are expenditure, raw materials, and high-end products. You're going to find all of those online, or you'll find them in the article, which will help you find a definition. Sorry about the sun, guys. It's getting really sunny now, and the light is coming through into MG19. Hopefully you can still see me okay. Once you've done that, I need you to go over to the comprehension questions. So to answer those comprehension questions, first of all, you're going to have to read this Gulf Business article. I'll post this on Edmodo. It will look something like this. Read through it. It's about the chocolate market, which is the industry we're looking at. We're looking at the chocolate industry when we are studying business and economics in grade 8. Next year, we're going to be looking at the airline industry, and we're also going to be looking towards the sneaker and shoe industry in terms of fashion, and that will be our major project for year 9. But grade 8, it's all to do with the chocolate companies. So once you've read the article, then I want you to go to the comprehension questions for the Gulf Business article. Don't worry about the marks so much. It's not an exam, it's not a test, but please try your best on those. All the questions are there. Any issues with those questions, make sure to message me on Edmodo. Later on, we'll start doing that on Teams, but Edmodo for now, and I can help you with those questions. Now, you can write them on your iPad. You can use Microsoft Word. You can use Pages, but I need to see what you're doing. Or if you're old school, you can write it out by hand. I don't mind which one. Just make sure you're taking a photo of your work and uploading it to the assignment section. I think I've covered everything today, so I want you guys really to have fun with today's assignment and to have fun with the e-learning. Remember, you guys can get in touch with me anytime on Edmodo. You all know my email. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. I want you to have fun and most of all, keep up with your learning so we don't fall behind during this time. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and see you later. Have fun.